The fuck is that?
Well, basically, I must have said that to myself about 100 times yesterday. I thought maybe I would make a stand. I think I was talking about looking for a swing trade, maybe take a big block of something, look for some bottoms, try to make some money. Well, you know what that happens. When you go searching for something to do, it never works out. Generally, your best trades are things that just come to you. They look good, you do it, you make money. But if you go out there searching for something, specifically looking, it never works out. And I uttered the incredible phrase, let's see what happens, as I was continually buying GTI on the way down yesterday. What is that? What the fuck is that? That's basically what I said. I just shut the computer off, turned it on at the end of the day to see what happened. Okay, just proves that I have no clue. I mean, obviously we're in a bear market. You don't want to be hanging on to stocks because they're being taken down unfairly. The world has slowed down. There's no need to ship anything. There's no need to feed anybody. There's no need to build anything. There's no need for iron. There's no need for steel. There's no need for cars. There's no need for anything. Nobody's money is worth anything. We're just living in hell. So what was I thinking hanging on to a stock, right? My fault. So now I'm the proud owner of a ton of GTI taking a beat down. Okay? I wish I had some more positive things to say to you every once in a while. But you know what? I bring it. And I'm telling you how it is. Absolutely ruined. If anything, I was not getting beat up this year, which was a positive. Granted, I should have been a rich man, very rich man, considering how pessimistic I was at the beginning of the year, even as far as back as last August on that cruise when we first looked like we were falling off the earth. But I'm here. But what I'm going to try to do is we filmed a little bit of some stuff. I'm going to show it out there today, put it out there. Hopefully you enjoy it. Maybe we'll do something later on. But we're getting closer and closer to having a real show where we're going to have interviews and all that kind of stuff, and a lot of different things are going to happen. But I'm shot right now. Completely and utterly shot. I wish death upon the stock market. I just want it to close. I just want to sneak away into a cave somewhere. Maybe they have it all figured out. The cave-dwelling savages that attack us. Not that their terrorism is any good, but living in a cave. I'd like to live in a cave. Maybe just for a little while. You know what? Just rough it. Rough it. Just imagine that I never knew what a computer was or the stock market. Just fade away. Just I want to be left alone, basically. This is just ridiculous. Sometimes if the depression doesn't turn into a manic stage, it might take a while this time, because now I'm utterly and absolutely disgusted. Utterly and absolutely disgusted.
What's your excuse?
Yes, exactly.
I'm asking the fucking questions here, Private, you understand?
Yeah, I could do that all day. That makes me feel a lot better. Playing sound clips from Full Metal Jacket. It's just fantastic stuff, you know?
Bullshit, it looks to me like the best part of you ran down to crack your mama's ass and ended up as a brown stain on the mattress. I think you've been cheated. Hell, I like you. You can come over to my house and fuck my sister.
We could do this all day. Bottom line is, what the hell was I thinking? What was I thinking to get in there? First of all, the best part about it was, Thursdays I'm always distracted. Why would I even think about hanging on to something while I'm not going to be watching it? And then the worst part about it is I not only had the GTI, but I had the IPI. I saw it was gapping down all those points. I put a bid in there. I got hit. I put a stop loss on it. Within 20 minutes, I was stopped out for a huge loss. And the stock proceeded to rally, I think, about 6 points off the low. It was pretty fantastic stuff. So it couldn't go more wrong for me than it did yesterday. And I think I'm going to start focusing on the funny, because we're right on the brink of starting to film some stuff. We're right on the brink of making this show the way it should be, to try to make it like the Daily Show of finance. We're right on the brink of a lot of different things. And it's just one guy. It's one guy. I work 3 days a week. It's like what should take maybe a couple of days for me takes about a month. Okay? And right now I don't have fashion sense as far as anything is concerned, but I'm trying to redo the website, make it look prettier, make it more interactive. So if you have any suggestions on what we should do to the website, a bigger screen, more thumbnails. We're going to take down a bunch of stuff. That ticker is going to be a live ticker from now on probably, so I don't have to I don't enter the data because I never get around to doing that. I completely forget every day, and you're seeing these quotes go by. One thing about my own personal ticker, each time I update it, it reminds me where those stocks were about a week ago, and I just can't believe it half the time. But the market will probably just sell off again today, right? I mean, why are you going to hang on to stocks over the weekend? Weren't we supposed to get a vote this week? Aren't we supposed to be saved? What happened to the saving? What happened to the market rallying on everything's going to be fine? Aren't you feeling good when the president comes on and tells you everything's going to be all right? We're going to smoke them out. They're in the caves. It's ridiculous. All right, I'll speak to you guys soon. Let's get one more time.
What's your name, scumbag? That name sounds like royalty. Are you royalty? How tall are you, Private? 5'9". I didn't know they stacked shit that high. You trying to squeeze an inch in on me somewhere? What the fuck is that? What is that? What the fuck is that?
Yeah. All right, see you later.